What's up, guys? I don't know, say your boy Nathan, and yeah, guys, we are back, guys, with our next promotion, guys. Yeah. So I want to go over to Silk Benjamin TV Vlogs, guys. You see me? The link is in the description. I want to know if you like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Yeah, they have some good videos over there, guys. You see me? You can go over there, go check them out. You see it? I want to go over there, guys. Please, I beg you, like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you comment, guys, please, friends, subscribe, turn on the bell and make them know, say, yo, I see and Nathan saying, no, please, me I beg you, guys, you have to make this work for we, because we can't do it by ourselves. If we don't do it, it not going to work, so me I beg you to do that for me, see it. What's up, guys? I don't know, say, it's a boy Nathan, as you can see, guys, me there, but, you know, next prank pan feast, you see me, she in the house, but she asleep. Boy, I don't know she can't sleep, so, you know, guys. But she not gonna stop get it, because I not ease up on her. You see me, guys? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you don't see the title already, that prank can go on hard. I'm just say, yo, I'm gonna do it. You see me, guys? I'm gonna just hide what kind of curtain, boom, and fling out something. You don't know if she gonna see me, but she not gonna expect this. See, yeah. I don't tell her, so I go over this, I go and build. You see me? So she not gonna expect me for the day. You see me, guys? So just like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please remember to watch your ads, guys, for we. Go over to his second channel, subscribe and show some love, you see me, guys. Yeah, we soon post on that, guys. I want to look at thing one, I couldn't post on it yet, but we soon post on that. So subscribe and turn on the bell and stay tuned, you see me, guys.
Nathan. Yeah. Nathan. Nathan. Yeah. Nathan. Nathan. Nah, ram today no. Yeah. Let's go find him now.
Yes, 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 yes. Hey! Ooh! Yay! Ooh! No, sir. Shot. Boy. But I get it. Oh, God. You frightened me?
I'm not friggin' frightened if I wake up and I see you.
Yeah, near Tada. Yeah. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. You see me? You don't know, say your boy Nathan have the bad epic prank. You see me? So you don't know if you don't already, you know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you say CC get catch. CC, what you have to say? More of things I fling. More of the time I say, yo, she must see me. She must see me. You're blind, you know? You never see me? And you're testing so I can't look for you, because I can't always see you through. Guys, you see, your boy Nathan go hard. CC love sleep. You can always get it. Poof, paf. You want to talk about rose gold chain chop when you're asleep. Fooling it, share talk. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's it, you don't know, say, boy, Nathan, man. Hey, 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 hey.